You've probably seen that the Apple Watch Series 3 saw a significant reduction in price, and you're probably thinking of picking one up. And you're probably also thinking, what features does it get with watchOS 6? Well, this video is for you because sadly the Series 3 doesn't get everything that the 4 and 5 have. The Series 3 gets only two new watch faces, the numerals Mono and numerals Duo. They're quite simplistic and I really love the look of these, and they have quite a bit of color customization. They don't have complications, and that's okay. I really like the look of these two watch faces, but I really do wish Apple provided more watch faces. Now, I haven't seen these watch faces in previous builds of watchOS, so they're probably new or they probably aren't, but I figured I'd show them to you here. And here's a look at all the watch faces that Apple provides for the Series 3. With watchOS 6, Siri now has the ability to tell you what song you're listening to. It didn't work here because I was already listening to a song on my iPhone, but if you're in a store and you wanted to know what song it is, well, it would work perfectly. It also allows you to view snippets of web pages directly on the watch.
I found this on the web.
Web pages that support reader mode will show up as a clean, simple, ad-free article. And web pages that don't, well, they'll show up exactly as how they would on your iPhone. New in watchOS 6 is the App Store directly on the Apple Watch. Now, instead of having to pull out your iPhone to install apps, now you can do it directly on the watch. Everything shows up, and you can even open apps to see how they look on the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch now also gets something that the iPad doesn't, and that's a calculator app. And it does exactly what a calculator would do. And another bonus is being able to force touch and calculate a tip for any given price. Next up is a feature that I can't test to show you, but is one of the biggest features that Apple released with this latest update. If this feature interests you and you really want to know how this works, you can head over to iMore. One of their staff has an excellent write-up on this, which I suggest you check out. I'll leave a link in the video description. Next up is the redesigned Now Playing app, so it looks much better and is much more functional, showing you what's playing separately on the watch and what's playing separately on your iPhone. Now Playing interface really needed a good redesign, and now we finally have it. It's pretty good. Next up is voice memos. Now you can record voice memos locally on your Apple Watch and play them back using the Apple Watch's built-in speaker.
Hello, this is a test on the Apple Watch Series.
It sounds pretty okay, as you can hear, and it's enough to get you by if you're in a pinch. Now, in the Messages app, the Apple Watch allows you to send Emoji Stickers and Memoji Stickers that you've saved on your iPhone. So you can give the perfect, most appropriate response, right? Another new app on the Apple Watch is the Audiobooks app. Now, I don't listen to any audiobooks, so I can't show you how the playing interface looks, but if you were to have some, well, you can listen to them locally on your watch, as they mirror the same collection that you have on your iPhone. Last but not least is the Redesigned Settings App. The Apple Watch allows you to change a lot of settings through the native Settings app. You don't have to pull out your phone for everything that you want to change. As you can see, the Series 3 lacks the Noise app, and there's no settings for it either, so that's a bummer. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a third-party app that does the same soon. One of my favorite features is the watch being able to buzz you with haptics to let you know what the time is. There's also the new feature called Chimes, which rings every hour or every half an hour according to your liking, and you can change the sound to either birds or bells, so you can pick whatever you like there. Battery life on the update has been pretty good. I've been getting a day and a half to 2 days with light to medium usage, and that's pretty good because other watches seem to be having battery life issues, so we'll have to wait and see what that's about. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.